Guys, welcome back to another video. This is kind of Sam's video. You can explain from now.
We're doing 4 teams, and this is Colombia, this is Sweden, this is Argentina, this is Qatar.
Okay.
Let's start.
Yep. So there's just 4 teams in this.
And they're going down for spinners.
Yep. So Sam, you're going to do like top 3 go through to the next round, and then top 2. And then so this is the quarterfinals.
Sometimes it's good.
Yeah.
There's another question.
So Qatar look like they're getting eliminated. At the moment, Qatar are getting eliminated. But this could all change.
They're the last one. They definitely won't come first. Oh, this could change. They definitely won't.
Oh, who's gonna?
Colombia.
Colombia are throw in first.
Argentina second.
Argentina second. Will it be Qatar or Sweden? Did you say? Sweden. Sweden beat Qatar. Qatar, sadly for you, you go in the mini thing. Alright, for you 3 though, you're into the next round. It's the semi-finals. And the winner, top 2 go through.
3, 2, 1. On the go.
That's Argentina getting through first though. Argentina getting through the second hole. And then Colombia. Sweden following shortly. Argentina look like they'll be in the final. Colombia. Sweden. And Argentina in the final, but who will make it through with them? Colombia or Sweden? Colombia, Sweden.
Hey. What?
You're out. It's the final. It's Colombia against Argentina.
3, 2.
Who will win?
Wow.
Colombia get through the first hole, but shortly followed by Argentina. Both came first in one of the semi-final or quarter-final. Colombia at the moment. Colombia could be winning this. Colombia get through the next hole first. Argentina are taking their time. This is the final hole. Who will win? Colombia. Colombia win. Colombia are through the next round. Well, no, Colombia wins the whole thing, sorry. Right, Sam, how do you feel about that?
These are the winners.
Yeah.
This one
Colombia wins though.
So, bye guys. See you soon.
Yep.
Bye.